Yes, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, this afternoon I bought an item at your shop, but when I got home, it turned out that the item didn't work well.
What's wrong with the item?
What do you mean?
I wonder what's wrong with the items.
I bought an earphone and the item does not turn on.
Oh, I see. Alright, please come back to our shop and exchange the item.
Alright, that's okay. Tomorrow I'm going to the shop.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
Thank you for your understanding.
Okay, you're welcome. It's my job.